This time about the Volkswagen Crafter. This is a 2018 year made, and we have some problems with the turbo. Let's pop it straight in. Here you go. The turbine, normally any turbine, can be only the radial game. So if we closer look, as much as I can zoom in, so you can see now probably, and can you see it? It's axle, basically it moves like that way, so that should be zero movement. The axle movement must be zero. The radial, which one is on the down up, like yes, it have to be some, because it's losing when you're getting hot, but normally no. So this turbine is bad, and we already got, and we will pop in some pretty good one. This is called the Garage Turbo, which one is fully new turbo, and it fits in just perfectly to the Crafter. Then you have some new bolts in, some tapes, some little you need oil as well, and you pop this whole thing in. Then an exhaust system. Let's see on that. What we have here is a NOx sensor before cat. Then we have the oxygen sensor. Then we have some temperature sensors. Then we have a differential pressure sensor in here. You're going two pipes, one pipe before and after puts of a system. And then we have exactly that blue injector. Here you can see the plug. There's a line which one pumps and heats it and cools it with the antifreeze, and then we have another one which one is that blue coming straight to the injector. Then we have a catalytic, so this called catalytic system, which one, yes, exactly, sees the differential pressure in here, and then is the same cat in here. Here you can see we have some more sensors, which one is nitrogen sensor in here, and then we can see the NOx sensor. So these two on the end of the exhaust system, and this one is temperature sensor in here. So all these line is just like that. So check all that system. If there is not clogged nothing, so you can boost your turbine down, and check do you have a fully required kit in here. The turbo, old one, the new one, all gonna be popped into the engine. Yes, as you can see, we get that. We did not take out the engine, all was there. Just let's see closer view what we have there. The exhaust line, we have to remove some of these ones, bolt holders, but some cases somebody been removing the engine because you can't get the bolts out, but when you get them out, the replacement is not so bad. Yes, this is how it looks like in here. So the year is pretty new, but the turbine is gone, so that's not the big deal. How it is, that it is. This is a EGR coming pipe for the exhaust gas recirculation system. This is how it looks like. For removing the turbo, you can do it from downside. You can access all those bolts without any problems, but there was in our case some problems. As you can see, we already welded on some stuff in here. There's no different chance actually. How you don't want to break it, so you have to use some sprise like these ones. Then you have to use some gas system as well, so you can heat it up pretty much, as much as you can. Some of them went out easy, some of them not, and most of them, like 1, 2, we welded on some little thing, which one called the nut. So just weld the nut on, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have something in here. Look, this is, I would say, definitely gone, isn't it? Let's make it pop it zoom. Yeah, lovely. You can't do nothing with it. Then you have some probably broke bolts like these one, you can see, but we definitely anyway did get it out, but it's broke off because normally it's like that. So yeah, you can't do nothing with this because the rust and the exhaust system is usually hot, and yeah, time by the time it get definitely rusty and a little bit hard to get it off. As you can see, these gaskets, so gaskets need to be replaced definitely. And this is an exhaust system which one goes on the back. There is no more sensors in there, that's not a big deal. pouch. And what else can I tell you? So good luck with your turbo replacement on the Volkswagen Crafter 2018 year made. So this ECU, actually what controls all that stuff, is a DCM 6.2A, or can be C. Software can be read by auto tuner by the OBD mode, and you can do a chip tuning. That's what we will do as well. We're gonna pull up some more power on this car. So at the moment, quick review about how that stuff was going out. Thank you very much.